Hi, my name's Kate, and today I'm going to teach you how to make herbal bitters using these 3 ingredients. We have artichoke leaf, fennel seed, and orange peel, and combined these will help support your digestive needs.
Orion.
So today we're going to make a tincture, and a tincture is an alcoholic extraction of plant medicine. Tincture itself means that we're using alcohol as a solvent. And what we're going to do is take these herbs that we've selected and we're going to grab a clean mason jar. We're going to take each plant and combine them together and do the maceration together. So in this instance, we're taking the dried plant material and we're covering it with alcohol. And we're going to let it sit for a certain amount of time, about 2 weeks to 1 month, macerating. And during that process, the solvent, the alcohol, is going to pull out all of the constituents from the plants and preserve it into the liquid form. All right, let's get started. So I know that I want it to be about 1/3 of the jar. So next I'm just going to choose the orange peel. Let's do like a couple spoonfuls here. And then we're going to go for our fennel. So fennel is a carminative, which means that it's really good at dispersing energy, specifically in the digestive tract. So I'm just going to take a couple scoops. Even as I'm scooping into the jar, I can just smell the sweetness of the fennel. It smells so good. You guys want to smell it? It smells delicious. It smells really good. So now that we have all of the herbs in the jar, our next step is to pour the alcohol over the herbs. Today we're using 45% cane alcohol. So essentially this is a rum that has not been aged. So here we go. Making sure everything's getting a nice coating. Beautiful. So after a month of this sitting and macerating and me agitating it, your formula is going to take on a darker hue. So we know that the alcohol is doing its job. It's pulling the constituents out of the plants and it's turned it into this beautiful greenish earthy color. How delicious. And the next step is to take our macerated solution and to strain it out. So fine mesh muslin will do great, and then some sort of vessel or container to catch the liquid. I'm going to take my tincture that we made, and it smells so good, and I'm just going to pour it off. Roll up the sleeves, and now it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. And you can see that solution's just coming right out. And you just have to really manually get in there and press it out. So now that we have our liquid, which is a tincture, what do we want to store it in? We want to fill the jar, whatever jar we're using, so there's not as much oxygen in there. And a nice amber bottle or some sort of dark bottle will do just fine. And I'm just going to pour my solution, my tincture, until it fills the bottle. So that's so easy. You can do it at home. This is a basic digestive bitters blend that you can make with your friends. Thanks so much for joining me.